Hello and welcome back. In this episode, we're going to draw a mountain scene. Here in Excel Art, we use Word or Excel and the office shapes within it to make drawings. Hit Insert, Shapes. Okay. Take the outline out. It's a little bit too bright. We'll go something softer. Then we're going to go Shape Fill Gradient. Then go click here in the Shapes Styles, Format Shape, Fill, Color, and we're going to make it lighter. Last one here. Let's choose that. It's already selected. And we just adjust that. Can do the transparency. So I'm going to leave that like that. No outline. Okay, now we're going to make the mountains. And we're going to go into shapes. We're going to look. I'm going to choose this one. This will be the dark. Let's make it even darker. That'll be in the front. Okay. Edit points. Add some points. Make them smooth. Okay. Okay, that's going to be in the front. So I'm going to lower them. I'm going to copy this. But I think let's give that a gradient too, if we can. Anything. We're busy. We don't have time to waste. Okay. Let's do a couple more. All right, perfect. Make it taller. Can reverse it. Change the color. This one's going to be lighter. And I'm going to have to put the gradient back on. Can do a different one. Then we're going to go edit points. Add an extra point. Make it smooth. Like that. Okay. I'm going to make it taller. Put it here. I'm going to go send to back. And then we want this thing, the yellow, to be sent all the way to back as well, further back. This has an outline, I believe. know. So now we're going to position it behind there, like so. Hide it behind there. And the last one here, shape fill. Let's make it really light. Shape outline, no outline. Shape fill gradient. I don't know. Either this one. I want the bottom part of it done. Okay, take that. And I think we're going to make it a little more transparent. Just to okay, it's working on the top part, which is fine. We want the middle color as well. And the bottom color. Yeah, okay. That's fine. This will be the furthest. So we go send to back. Or I could say probably send backward, but that's okay. And then the yellow part, send to back. And bring that up a little bit maybe. I don't know. And we can flip it around. Mirror it, I should say. Something like that. I don't know. I think I'm going to add additional points. Add point. Smooth point. Bring that in a little more. Edit points. Look in the middle here. Need some additional points. Like that. Something like that. Let's see how that looks like. Okay. I'm going to make the transparency a little bit less. Like this one's not transparent. This one, like that. This one, that's okay. That's good. So bring it down maybe a little bit more. This one as well. Got an extra point here. Add point. Smooth. Does it work? It has to be a gentle slope. As well. Different size sizes of the actual mountains is good too. Okay, that's one way of doing it. This, let's just see here. We can add a little bit of blue in the middle, light blue. Like that. Just move it around. Maybe that's a little bit. And this one here, move it to the next. I wonder if we would switch these around, how that would look like. Make it more transparent. Same with this one. Just have like a haze. I almost want to make that like an orange, but maybe here on this one here, we can make this one like an orange and bring it up just to the sides here, like that. Oops, didn't think that took. Somehow I lost that. Let's go undo. Let's just see. This middle one, make it more transparent. Like that. Brought it up to here. Bring this one back. Bring this one back. Like that. That's the mountain scene. Thanks for watching.